Okay, it's been about 40 minutes and I've I've shoveled path to the garage. So you can see it's about 3 feet, almost 3 feet, sitting in front of my garage right now. That's it right there. It's definitely 2 feet of snow in the street. No one's even tried to plow that. I don't think you're gonna be plowing. Here's what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That's the big pile I'm making right now. It's 5 feet tall. That's my front yard. It's gonna be my snow storage area. That's how I gotta get to my front door. I gotta shovel through that to get to the front door. Yeah. Alright, I'm losing battery. Gotta go in.